God. This is the morning walking at 5 o'clock in the morning. The weather is good and this sun is almost to shine, and this is the house, your ancestral house, and you need to, it's up to you to, we have to renovate this house. It's only the roof and the walls are still intact, and I think, yeah, you have to think, you both guys, when you have to have a decision to initially renovate this. This is yeah, if you want to be this one will finish, you can have it rent for vacationing foreigners or what, so you can have a passive income. So yeah, this is the one. This is the one that we are doing now, the digging of the post for the pins. Okay, and I go around this place. Yeah, it's a good place. It's a good place to live or have a vacation. And I'm going to have my walking around the basketball court, then start doing walking yeah, on this place. It's nearby the house, so this is it. So I have to do here. This is the place. Yeah. Ilang karaon, oy? Ilan na karaon? Ha? Siyam na? Oo. This one is still have, this is a big lot in front of the basketball court. Ano ito dong? Ayos ito dong. Kita makanak dong.
Alal.
Ha?
Alal.
Al-al?
Plasos.
Ha?
Plasos.
Kinsa plasos?
Alal. Alex wa.
Kinsa man na siya anak?
Taga Karigan.
Kinsa may amahan na?
Si Miling. Emilia Plasos. Risitas wa.
Melia Plasos? Kinsa man na anak siya una niya? Imo apuhan. Yung pahingan. Mo
Kuan. Miling. Miling.
miling.
Oh, Lingling.
Ha?
Miling paring. Plasos. Lingling wa Lingling.
Aling.
Yung panay sunod bad si Kuan.
Ha?
Yung panay sunod bad.
Ah, iso mad. Ah. Ilan edad mo dong?
Ha?
Ilan edad mo?
Desai.
16? High school ka na? Senior?
Senior
Ah, senior na? Ah. Member ka sa Kanigan basketball SK, team. Wala pa. Oh, basketball. Ah, okay ba mo? Asa mo abot? Ato mo, round sa lingan?